Hey guys, Beastie Adventures here. We've got a few surprises in store and Beastie's ready to make her way into the workshop.
Back into the workshop we go, in partnership with Opposite Lock for a much needed Toughdog suspension upgrade. Available in 40, 60 and 80mm options, we opted for the 80. We all know how soft, somewhat unstable the Jimny suspension is, especially loaded. This is why an upgrade is such an integral part to an off-roader's vehicle. With a complete kit including panhard rods, steering dampener upgrade, shocks, coils, extended brake lines, cross-member adjustment kit, caster correction bushes and headlight adjuster, it makes for the perfect kit. We remove our own bumper and install the new Opposite Lock Bullbar, which is winch compatible and fully airbag compliant to meet Australian ADR compliance. This allows me to better prepare the vehicle for more extreme off-road trails as well as mount much needed light force venom spotlights. With their new wiring harness making them work in sync with your high beam, a real breeze. Now that she is all ready to hit the trails once again, we can put the little Jimny through its paces, testing the new bumper, lights and suspension on some of South Africa's most beloved tracks. I'd like to thank the team at Frontrunner, Suzuki Car Army and Shutter King Visuals for making all this possible, and a special thanks to the Opposite Lock team for the much needed and sought after accessories. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please remember to subscribe, like and comment down below.